Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the Sanny Outdoor Folding Portable Picnic Camping Table, a versatile and durable addition to your outdoor adventures. This aluminum roll-up table is perfect for camping, beach outings, backyard BBQs, and more, offering a convenient storage basket underneath for your small essentials like garden tools, toys, or gadgets. Designed for easy assembly and portability, it folds completely, including the tabletop, and fits snugly into its carrying bag, making it a breeze to transport. With a sturdy construction featuring upgraded aluminum and steel legs, this table can support up to 225 pounds, ensuring both durability and reliability for all your outdoor needs. The waterproof and stain-resistant surface makes it ideal for any occasion, whether you're dining, gaming, or simply enjoying the outdoors. Measuring 47 by 21.65 by 26.7 inches and weighing just 13.2 pounds, it's easy to set up and take down, addressing previous concerns about desktop sliding with improved rope thickness. So, whether you're planning a picnic, a patio party, or a camping trip, the Sanny Outdoor Folding Table is your go-to solution for convenience and functionality. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.